when you're dealing with tons of important files that need to be backed up or synced between computers, choosing the right tool can make all the difference. And that's where Goodsync versus Freefilesync enters the conversation. Both are popular file syncing solutions with loyal user bases, but they serve slightly different needs and audiences. So today we're breaking down how they compare in terms of features, ease of use, performance, reliability, and yes, pricing. Let's start with what they are. Goodsync is a commercial file sync and backup tool that has been around for years, known for its polished interface and wide compatibility across Windows, macOS, Linux, and even mobile platforms. While Freefilesync is, as the name suggests, a free, open-source alternative that's very popular among users who want powerful syncing without spending money. In terms of features, Goodsync offers real-time syncing, meaning changes are picked up instantly, versioning so that old copies of files are saved, and automatic conflict resolution to prevent accidental overwrites. And these features make it particularly appealing for businesses or users who can't afford mistakes. Freefilesync, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and speed. It does batch syncs very well and uses an intuitive interface that makes it easy to compare folders side by side and see exactly what's going to be changed at a glance, which many users appreciate because it gives them confidence before executing a sync. Now let's talk pricing, which is one of the areas where these two really diverge. Freefilesync is completely free, no subscription, no license fees. You can just download it and use it forever, which makes it incredibly attractive for personal users and small teams on a budget. Conversely, Goodsync operates on a paid model. You can buy a perpetual license for one machine, or opt for multi-device or business licenses that cover many computers. Performance-wise, both tools are quite capable. Goodsync's real-time syncing can be faster in environments where files change often, whereas Freefilesync's batch syncs tend to be very efficient when you're syncing large amounts of static data. Neither tool usually trips over itself, but if you need constant monitoring and instant syncs, Goodsync may edge out Freefilesync slightly. So in the end, picking between Goodsync and Freefilesync really comes down to what you need and what you're willing to pay for. If you want a free, dependable solution with plenty of power and don't mind a bit of manual configuration, Freefilesync is excellent. But if you'd rather have advanced features, real-time syncing, professional polish, and don't mind paying for a license, Goodsync might be the better choice for you. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.